Just want to make this quick video for you all to let you all know that Liveops do have some positions available. If you're looking for a work from home job and you have not been able to find anything as of yet, so here are some of the positions. It shows you start date, so that means that they're going to be starting training. Okay, so if you're interested, still looking for a work from home job, Liveops do have positions available. So go and apply now. You could use my link down in the description down below to sign up and start working for Liveops. So if you ever have any questions, you can always reach out to me. All my contact information will be down below. So like I said, right now Liveops is currently hiring. So go ahead, y'all. Don't be sleeping on it. I'm doing it. Like, I'm hanging in there. I don't even know how long I've been with Liveops to say it's been a year yet, but you know, it has its ups and downs. That's like with any job. So like I said, Liveops, you just seen for yourself that they do have positions that they're currently going to be hiring for. I think the next one is April the 12th that I see on here. So go check them out.